Our next topic is creating clipping masks. Clipping masks are the shapes that act as a window, showing only the artwork located within the boundaries of those shapes. The clipping mask object must be on the top of the stack of the objects you wish to mask. To create a clipping mask, let's do the following. Choose the object you wish to mask using a selection tool. First, let's create an object. Polygon. Let's make another color of yellow. After choosing the object, use the selection tool. Click object, arrange, bring to font, like here, this one. Object, arrange, bring to front. As you can see. Select all the object you wish to include to the mask. Then click object, clipping mask. Where's the clipping mask? Then choose make, or simply Control 7. This is what happened when we create a clipping mask. When I create a clipping mask on the object I've used, you can certainly have different result because you have different objects that you've done. Yeah, that's how the creating clipping mask in Illustrator CS3. Thank you for watching with Jojo